Q8452-1. Which statement is true regarding the requirements for maintenance record format? A. Any format that provides record continuity and includes the required information may be used. B. The format provided by the manufacturer of the aircraft must be retained. C. Any desired change from manufacturer-provided format requires approval from the Federal Aviation Administration. The correct answer is A. According to FAA regulations, Statement A is true. Any format that provides record continuity and includes the required information may be used for maintenance records. However, it's important to ensure that all required information is included in the format being used. 8452-2. When a 100-hour inspection is completed, if separate maintenance records for the airframe, powerplants, and propellers are maintained, where is the entry for the inspection recorded? A. In each record. B. In the airframe record only. C. In any one of the records. The correct answer is A. According to FAA regulations, the entry for a 100-hour inspection must be recorded in each record for the airframe, powerplants, and propellers if they are maintained separately. Therefore, the correct answer is in each record. This ensures that all records are up to date and accurate for future maintenance and inspection requirements. 8452-3. For aircraft operated under Part 91, when is aircraft total time required to be recorded in aircraft maintenance records? A. After satisfactorily completing maintenance, preventive maintenance, rebuilding, and alteration, excluding inspections. B. After satisfactorily completing inspections. C. After satisfactorily completing airframe, component, or propeller maintenance. The correct answer is B. According to AC 43-9 paragraph 10.d, the yearly inspection is only needed to be recorded in the airframe record. However, if the owner keeps separate records for the airframe, powerplants, and propellers, the entry for the 1-hour examination is recorded in each. 8452-4. For aircraft operated under Part 91, what difference is there, if any, between the record entry requirements for maintenance, e.g., repair or alteration, and the record entry requirements for inspections, beyond the description of the work performed and the type and extent of inspection? A. There is no difference. B. Aircraft total time is required to the maintenance entry. C. Aircraft total time is required to the inspection entry. The correct answer is C. Following any inspection carried out in accordance with Part GL, the person who approves the return to service of an aircraft, airframe, aircraft engine, propeller, appliance, or component part is required by 14 CFR 543.11 to enter the following information in the equipment's maintenance record. 2. The date of the inspection and the aircraft's overall service history. The complete time of the aircraft is not required to be recorded for the records outlined in 14 CFR 543.9. 8452-5. If more space is needed for a work description entered on FAA Form 337, what information should be included on the attached sheets, in addition to the rest of the work description? A. Make, model, and serial number of the aircraft. B. Aircraft nationality and registration mark, and the date the work was accomplished. C. Name, date, and office designator of the FAA inspector from the supervising office. The correct answer is B. If more space is needed for a work description entered on FAA Form 337, the attached sheets should include the aircraft nationality and registration mark, as well as the date the work was accomplished, in addition to the rest of the work description. This information is important for proper documentation and record keeping. It is not necessary to include the make, model, and serial number of the aircraft or the name, date, and office designator of the FAA inspector from the supervising office.